Hello dear friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux 2018 on VMware workstation 14 Pro. So first of all you have to download VMware and Kali Linux from the link description below. Both are in the link description below. And now install the VMware and open it. So to create, click on create a new virtual machine and select the typical, click next, and now select your ISO file that you have nearly downloaded from the link description below, and now you have to select Linux, and the version is very important. You have to select 64-bit operating system, okay, Kali Linux, and click next. Now you have to type the virtual machine name and the location where you want to save this virtual machine. And disk capacity and customize hardware and assign the memory size about 1 GB to or further than that. And now you have to select, okay, make sure that ISO file has been selected. So there is nothing important. Now you can close this and finish the virtual creating virtual machine. Now let's start the installation process by clicking on the name of virtual machine. Okay, click power on the virtual machine. In this case you have to select graphical install. Here you have to select the language, click next, and select your location, click next, and configure the keyboard, American keyboard or any other, click next.